light, a brand new day. Slow deep breath, I find my way. Little plans, simple scenes, beauty living in between. Hands at work, heart at ease, doing more with what I see. Every step, every try, I grow gently day by day. No rush, no perfect plan, just becoming who I am. Every moment, every part, living freely from the heart. Chukwu glorious odima, living real, no filter. Everyday life, every frame. This is Gloria unfiltered, glorious empire. Kitchen warm, laughter near, simple meals, moments dear. Learning life the honest way, finding joy in every day. Dreams were built with patient hands, small beginnings, bigger plans. Brick by brick, love inside, home is more than what we hide. Every season, every phase, purpose growing in my days. What I am is what I show, nothing fake, just letting go. Chukwu glorious odima, living real, no filter. Everyday life, every frame. This is Gloria unfiltered, glorious empire. One day voices fill the room, tiny feet go running through. Stories shared, candles bright. Love is living here tonight. Side by side we rise and fall, still we stand through it all. What we're building, strong and true, is a life worth walking through. Chukwu glorious odima, living real, no filter. Everyday life, every frame. This is Gloria unfiltered, glorious empire. Gloria unfiltered, glorious empire. Little plans, simple scenes, beauty living in between. Hands at work, heart at ease, doing more with what I see. Every step, every try, I grow gently day by day. No rush, no perfect plan, just because